Enhance your home with the Ronan Traverse Rod with Rings. In this video, we'll take you step by step through installing the Ronan system, including single, double, and angle configurations. The Ronan rod features openings on both sides. The shallow opening is used for installing brackets and connectors, while the deeper opening is designed for runners. Step 1. Assemble the rod. For rods longer than 78 inches, use the rod connector to join the sections. Shorter rods do not require a connector. Position the connector at the center of the rod. Then use the Allen key to tighten and secure. Step 2. Install runners and brackets. Slide the rings onto the rod first. The connector helps ensure rings glide smoothly. Next, install the brackets, leaving enough space at both ends for the end caps. For wall mount brackets, slide the bracket into the rod from one side. Make sure the curved side aligns with the rod profile and leave space for the end caps. Tighten with the Allen key, keeping the washer in place. Once secured, the rod with rings is ready. For split panels, secure one ring on each side. Step 3. Mark and drill. Measure the spacing for wall mount or ceiling mount brackets. For double rods with ceiling mount, confirm the spacing between the two panels to determine the vertical distance between brackets. Mark the drilling points at the installation location, making sure all points are level. Drill the holes and install wall anchors as needed. For wall mount, remove the bracket base first. Align the center of the base with the marked point and secure it with screws. Then tighten the decorative cover onto the base and mount the assembled rod. For ceiling mount, secure the assembled rod, rings, and brackets directly to the marked points. Step 4. Hang the drapery. Installation for the Ronan Angle Traverse Rod follows the same steps, with the addition of the angle connector. The angle connector allows runners to pass through the angle. Your Ronan Traverse Rod is now installed. See the included guide for more details.